Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the Syncwire USB-C to USB-C cable. It's their charging cable 2.0, which is a power delivery cable capable of 100-watt charging, or 20 volts at 5 amps. So this is the sort of cable that you'll most likely be using with, say, a laptop or high-powered devices, potentially tablets and computers, but should also be perfectly capable of also charging things like smartphones, tablets, and other accessories such as earphones. Now, this review device has been provided to us by Syncwire, so thanks to Syncwire for providing us with this review sample. We'll also be unboxing and reviewing other Syncwire products going forward. So let's see how the Syncwire USB-C to USB-C cable performs. Now what I'm going to do is start off by opening the packaging. As you can see, you have the packaging with all the details. This is a 2-meter cable, or 6.5 meters, or 6.5 feet long. There's a few extra details about Syncwire and their branding, but I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife to open the plastic strips on the side. Now, it's really simple. There's not much to it. There's a user guide cable, a warranty activation card, and the cable itself. So the user guide should be self-explanatory, just plug and use. And this is the cable itself. So in the packaging we have a couple of wire cable ties, which I'm going to undo here. So this is designed by Syncwire and made in China. So I'm going to undo these wires, and first impressions are this is braided material. It's nice and soft, but it has that braiding, let's say, solidity to it, so it's not as easily damaged or chewed by cats as normal plastic cables are. And as you can see, there's also a Velcro cable tidy with Syncwire branding on it. So great. This is obviously a power delivery cable, which means that it has USB-C on one side and USB-C on the other. Now, you can see there's some very subtle Syncwire branding here on the end of the cable. There's also a plastic protector on it. I'm going to take one off just to show you that it does come off, and more importantly that it's meant to come off. There we go. So that's the Syncwire branding on the USB-C end. And to test this, we're going to use our USB Type-C power delivery MacDodo charger that we previously unboxed and reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, I've been using this when traveling, mainly in the UK, as you can see from the UK plug I'm using. So what we're going to do is try this cable with a selection of devices and see how it performs. So I'm going to plug into my AOFO multi-plug adapter. So we know this has power. Let me just check the light. Yes, it has power. And I'm going to see how it fits in one end. Seems to fit fine in the USB-C port. It's solid, so it's well-sized USB-C. Now, the first time we're going to try this on is the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. So you can see from the beginning this is at 89% battery charge. I'm going to plug this in and see what happens. So get a bit of charging going on here, and then the quick charge indicator comes on. So this means that it will use my MacDodo charger, and you can see that in the corner here we have 2 lightning bolts, meaning that it's quick charging the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. So good sign there. As expected, it's supporting fast charging or quick charging with this device, and it fits well in the device at the other end. So everything great with regards to that. Now let's try a different device. In this case, we've got the Google Pixel 5. So I'm just going to clear my notifications. So Google Pixel 5 is a power delivery device. It is a slower charge. In this case, it's a quick charge at 15 watts. And we immediately get the charging rapidly signal at the bottom. So you can see that this is working as expected with the Google Pixel 5. Next up, we're going to give it a bit more of a challenge. I'm going to bring my now detached from its keyboard Microsoft Surface Go. So I'm just going to unlock this, and whilst that happens, I'm going to plug it into the USB-C port. Have I found it? Yes. And we'll have a look at what's happening to the battery. So you can see that it's plugged in and charging. Let's see on screen what the battery settings say. So these are the battery settings, and it says that it is charging at the moment. So great that it works with, in this case, a relatively power-hungry tablet, this Microsoft Surface Go. And so I think that's a decent demonstration of this Syncwire cable, which Syncwire declare is 100 watt capable. I don't currently have a laptop that I can use that on, but I do believe that overall this is a decent 2-meter cable by Syncwire. So thanks to Syncwire for sending us this review sample. We will be unboxing and reviewing some of their products going forward, and I think that the key thing here is not only is it a good cable, it has a Velcro cable tidy. It's already applied to the cable, so when traveling it's great to have a slightly longer cable. But there you go, it makes it really easy to pack and put away. Right then, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you like this video, leave us a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.